invitation. I am Riya Garia, here to command today's assembly. Classes, standees, attention. Standees, attention. A prayer is a link between God and us. So for prayer, I would like to call my friends.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्।
कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं,
कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं,
तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं,
तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं।
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं
अच्युतं कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं,
मेरे सबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं,
वे सबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं।
Classes, down your hands. Classes, standees, attention. Standees, attention. To show devotion towards our nation, I would like to call Raja Kapkoti for his place.
And respected teachers and all the hard-working teachers of Udayan Academy and my dear friends, good morning to all. Today I am Raja Kapkoti from class 9th standard. Is here to say the pledge. To get ready for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country. And I am proud of its very heritage. I shall always try to bear and learn what is of it. I shall also respect to my parents and elders. I shall show kindness to animals, to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Alone life my happiness. May God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. जय हिंद, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, जय हिंद. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Standees, attention. Standees, a positive thought can change our whole day. So for thought, I would like to call Karan Kapkoti.
First of all, very energetic good morning to all of you, honorable chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, and all the hardworking teachers of Udayan Academy and my dear friends. Myself, Karan Singh Kapkoti from class 9. Today I am standing here to front of you, say my thought, and my thought is, nothing is impossible if you have a great willpower. I repeat my thought, nothing is impossible if you have a great willpower. My Hindi explanation is, किसी भी व्यक्ति के लिए कोई भी कार्य कठिन नहीं है. यदि वह व्यक्ति उस कार्य में मन लगाए तो अपने जीवन में अवश्य सफल होगा. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.
Standees, attention. Standees. To know what is going around us, I would like to call Niharika Bhagri for her news headlines. And my last news is from temperature. Today's the temperature of Bageshwar is 21 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. Thank you and have a auspicious day. Please, attention, standees. We all know about the Indian farmers. To know more about Indian farmers, I would like to call Bhanu for his article.
All of you, my name is Bhanu Sai. Today I am here to present my article, and my article topic is based on farmers. Farmer is very useful person in our daily life as he meets our basic needs of our life. Most of the percentage of people live in rural area and engaged in agriculture. Often remembered as a backbone of India economy, farmer provide us with food. And before 1970s, India was not self-sufficient for their importing their supplies to other countries. And when our importing started blackmailing that our Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri said that and find alternated and motivated our farmers that and given is in addition he given a slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan which is remembered till nowadays. After that green revolution started and India started its exporting to other countries and its supplies were good for everyone as corn for eating and cotton for wearing clothes and they grew many things on their farms and they are very useful persons in our daily life. At last I want to say a little poem on the topic of farmers and my poem is जमीन जल चुकी है आसमान बाकी है जमीन जल चुकी है आसमान बाकी है सूखे कुएं तेरा इम्तिहान बाकी है बादलों बरस जाओ इस बार समय पर किसी का घर गिरवी तो किसी का लगान बाकी है बॉर्डर पर मर रहा जवान है और खेत में किसान कैसे कह दो इस दुखी मन से कि मेरा भारत महान थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे
To check your IQ level, I would like to call Dhruv Best for his GK questions.
First of all, very fresh and energetic good morning to all, respected chairman, sir, principal ma'am, all the staff members of Botanic Academy, and dear friends. Myself, Dhruv from class 9 standard, standing in front of you for your GK question, and my questions are, my first question is for class nursery. What is the color of tree? I repeat my question once again. What is the color of tree? Yes, your answer is correct. My next question is for class. Yes, the correct answer is green. My next question is for class LKG. In which day of the week? There is holiday in school? Yes, Sunday is the correct answer. What is the name of our planet? I repeat my question once again. What is the name of our planet? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Earth. My next question is for class 2nd. How many days are there in a leap year? Next question is for class 3rd. Who was the third chief minister of Uttarakhand? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is N.D. Tiwari. When for class 5th, what is the chemical formula of water? I repeat my question once again. What is the chemical formula of water? Yes, H2 is the correct answer. My next question is for class 6. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the correct answer. My next question is for class 7. Who has given the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Yes, Lal Bahadur Shastri is the correct answer. My next question is for class 8. Who discovered fermentation? I repeat my question once again. Who discovered fermentation? The correct answer is Louis Pasteur. For class 10. Who is known as the father of zoology? Yes, Aristotle is the correct answer. My next question is for class 11. Who has given the theory of omnicellula is cellular? I repeat my question once again. Who has given the theory of omnicellula is cellular? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Ronald Mitchell. Thank you and have a nice day.
Classes attention, standees, attention, standees. Now I would like to call junior class for their poem.
My name is Asita Ketwal from class 1st. Today's poem is झूला अम्मा आज लगा दे झूला, इस झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा, इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर आसमान को मैं छू लूंगा। झूला झूल रही है डाली, झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता, पर बड़ा मजा है जल्दी नीले चलकर गाता। झूल रही नीचे की धरती, उछल 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 उछल, बरस रहा है रिमझिम रिमझिम, उड़कर मैं रूप उधर बादल, थके रहते।
Classes attention. Standing. Now I would like to call Mrs. Sunita ma'am for her motivational thought.
प्रकृति के कण कण में विराजमान माँ शारदा के पावन प्रांगण में उपस्थित आदरणीय प्रबंधक महोदय, प्रधानाध्यापिका महोदय, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, आप सभी को मेरा सुप्रभात। आज मैं आप लोगों के समक्ष एक छोटा सा श्लोक प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ जो हमें विद्यार्थी जीवन में अच्छा करने की प्रेरणा देता है। श्लोक है जैसे विद्या ददाति विनयम, विनयात् ददाति पात्रताम, पात्रतात् धनम आपनोति, धनम धर्म न अर्थम। मतलब कि विद्या ददाति विनयम, मतलब विद्या हमें क्या देती है? विनम्रता, शिष्टाचार। विनया ददाति पात्रता, पात्रता अर्थात योग्यता। विद्या से हम योग्य बनते हैं और योग्य अगर हम बन जाते हैं तो हमें धन की प्राप्ति होती है और धन से हम धर्म के कार्य कर सकते हैं जिससे हमारे जीवन में सुख ही सुख मिलता है। कहने का अर्थ यही है कि आप अपने जीवन में जितना भी विद्या का अर्जन करते हो उसको सही कार्यों में लगाएं। ये नहीं कि कुछ गलत करें या कुछ ऊंच नीच कार्य करें। हम हमेशा देखते हैं कि विद्यार्थी जीवन एक तप का जीवन है, जो जितना तपेगा वो उतना अधिक निखरेगा। ज्ञानी तो सभी बन जाते हैं, पर ज्ञान, उस ज्ञान का कोई महत्व नहीं जो आपको अभिमानी बना दे। अगर आप अभिमानी बन जाओगे तो आपके जीवन में कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं हो सकता। एक न एक दिन वह अभिमान आपका टूट ही जाएगा। जैसे ही हमें हमेशा अपने बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए और हमेशा सभ्य बनना चाहिए, तभी आपका ज्ञान आपके लिए कामदायक है, मतलब अच्छा है। इस पर एक कहावत है कि अभिवादन शीलस्य नित्य वृद्ध सेविना, चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयु विद्या यशोबलम। मतलब अभिवादनशीलस्य, जो व्यक्ति अपने से बड़ों का अभिवादन करता है, नित्य वृद्ध सेविना, नित्य क्या करेगा? वो अपने से जो बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं उनकी सेवा करता है। चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते, उसकी 4 चीजें बढ़ती हैं, आयु विद्या यश और बल। इसलिए हमेशा अपने जीवन में अच्छे काम करें और अच्छे विचारों को लाएं और अपने जीवन में खुद ऊंचाइयों को प्राप्त करें। धन्यवाद। आप सभी का दिन शुभ हो।
Attention! This is time to utilize our 52 seconds by singing national anthem, which is composed by the Rabindranath Tagore. Get ready for national anthem.
तरंगा तब शुभ नावे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे, गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण जय हे
Warm and energetic good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, all the hardworking teachers and my lovely students. Okay, children, how you all are? So the students, for the assembly of today's of class 9th, I would say, so it was very nice, and so they did the very good efforts for this thing and practice, and so that's why they are able to present here in a proper way. So similarly, so you all daily regulate your works, so then surely you will get the success in your life. So as the thought was in this assembly it was something inspirational, that was nothing is impossible. It was said by Karan Kapoti. So that is true. Nothing is impossible if you are taking the interest in it. Am I right or not? Isn't it? Yes. So all the students mean to say that you have to take interest. Without interest, nothing is there. Without interest, the life is, it's very dull. So what is the opposite of the interest? Dull. Boring. So your life will be boring. So whatever work is done here, whatever task is given you, so just give interest in them. So then definitely one day you will get the automatically interest and automatically the good result. And another that about the motivational speech given by your Hindi man. It was in Hindi, very nice Hindi, sounding very good. So you also apply Hindi in your life, but as you know, this is the English medium school, so this time, so you practice English also. Apply English, both the language. Okay, in that ma'am also very nice word said you about that is moral values for your elders. So that Vidya means, education is always telling you the good things. Just you do the good work. Always giving the moral values. So if you are respecting your elders, your teachers, or your younger brother, sister, you can say the smaller kids also. So then definitely, surely you will also get the respect. Is clear to you all? Have you all understood? So the students, for today this much only, and so you go ahead and always follow all these moral values in your life. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Standees, attention, standees. Every starting has an end, and we have also reached to the end of assembly, and I would end this assembly with a small poem, and my poem is: अपने सपनों को अपनी सांसों में रख लो, अपने सपनों को अपनी सांसों में रखो, अपने लक्ष्य को अपनी निगाहों में रखो, अपने लक्ष्य को अपनी निगाहों में रखो, हर जीत आपकी ही होगी, कि हाँ हर जीत आपकी ही होगी, बस अपने लक्ष्य को अपनी निगाहों में रखो, बस अपने लक्ष्य को अपनी निगाहों में रखो. Classes attention. First row, turn to your right about turn. Third row, turn to your right about turn. Fifth row, turn to your right about turn. Move now.